doing that too. So can you like tell me what you're wearing?
Oh yeah, I'm wearing basic.
Hi my girls, welcome back to my channel today. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm so excited about this video. I'm excited to bring you guys what everyone is wearing in Paris. I've been longing to do this video and here it is. Oh my god, I can't believe it's so possible for me to do this video for you guys. Thank you so much guys. I do appreciate you guys. If this is your first time being on my channel, welcome to my channel. I do fashion and beauty and I throw in a bit of lifestyle video which include food and travel. To you my old subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm going to be having about 5 parts of what everyone is wearing in France and this is the first one. Enjoy guys, love you all. Oh my god. In France and I'm doing that too. So can you like tell me what you're wearing?
Oh yeah, I'm wearing basic. It's a small dress from Zara.
Okay.
And a blazer, yeah?
Yeah.
That's what
it's from Zara too?
Yeah, it's from Zara, the blazer. And a small dress from Zara too, yeah. So you can just stand up and just see.
The sandal is from Zara too?
No, the sandals just from a Chinese shop, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's not from Zara, yeah.
And your jewelries?
The jewelries, yeah. These ones, I bought them from Shein. And my necklace too, from Shein.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your handbag?
My handbag, was a gift, yeah.
Okay.
That's a gift from my sister for my birthday.
Okay.
So I don't know where she bought it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So Monica, thank you so much for having me.
'cause it's true. Nah, nah. For you to come to me, though this way of life, no, it ain't healthy, but ain't no other way, it's just what I need. Don't wanna let go, wanna you can eat. If you gave me your whole life, I would still have room for more. 'Cause I've got me through the night, but it will never be enough. It will never be enough. 'Cause I'm a black